Hello students, a very good morning to all of you and welcome to your online classes. I hope you all are doing well. This is your life skills session and we are on chapter number 3, Charity of a Tree. Basically this story is about the boy and the mango tree. So it goes like this. I am the king of the forest. The boy would announce every day playing under the large old mango tree. He would make a crown out of its leaves. The tree also loved to have the boy visit and play with its branches. It would pretend that the mangoes were of gold and it would give all the mangoes to the boy as a reward. Time passed by and the boy grew up to be a man. But for the tree, the boy was always a child. After some time, the boy stopped visiting the tree. The tree would miss him so much. So after some time, one day the boy visited the tree and told him that I wanted to get married, but I need money for that. So the tree told him to pluck all its mangoes and sell it to get enough amount of money. Finally, the boy plucked all the mangoes and sold them. He got enough amount of money and married lavishly. Once again, the boy stopped visiting the tree. After 1 year, he again came back and told the tree that I have a fight at home. Now I need a house to live on my own. Can you help me out? The tree told him to cut all its branches and make a house for himself. Finally, the boy again cut all the branches and make a house and also the furniture for himself. Once again, the tree was all alone. The boy got his house, but he did not visit him anymore. The tree did not have any branches or mangoes, so no one was visiting him anymore. He used to miss the boy a lot. Once again, after a few years, the boy again visited him and told him that I wanted to go on a voyage. I wanted to go to sea, but I need a boat for that. The tree told him to cut its trunk and make a boat for himself. Again, the boy, without realizing his mistake, cut the trunk of the tree and make himself a boat, went on a voyage. Now, times passed by year, and now the boy was all alone and old. All he wanted was a good friend. Now, the tree was also not there. There was only stump of the tree. Finally, again the boy went to the tree. The tree told him to sit on its stump. The boy became very happy. Finally, he got a friend. He sat on the stump of the tree and relaxed in the sunshine. At this time, the tree was also happy. The tree was happy this time because now the boy did not want anything from the tree. All he wanted was its friendship. So here we learned from this lesson that we should not only think about getting so many things from tree, we should also know our responsibilities. Instead of cutting the trees, we should plant so many trees, we should water the trees and also be friends with them. This is what about this story. Thank you.